Hello everybody, I'm Nurse Tao. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Nurse's Comfort Kitchen. A Nurse's Comfort Kitchen was initially a cooking blog on allrecipe.com. At that time, I written that cooking blog to help me get through nursing school. Now I'm launching my YouTube channel to help me get through my PhD program. I'm currently living on a powerboat in Seattle, Washington, and also attending University of Washington Schools of Nursing full-time for my PhD in nursing science. My hope is to share recipes that have special personal meaning to me, and I hope that you will like my video, subscribe to my channel, or maybe to get in contact with me by commenting below. My plan is to post video every 2 to 3 weeks, and I will see you then.